Hey everyone, it's Sara from Edcafe AI, and today I'm going to walk you through the quiz introduction section when you create an AI quiz with Edcafe. This section allows you to add context, instructions, or supporting materials to guide students before they begin the quiz. For example, you can add a link that you want students to reference like we have here. You could also add an audio file so that way you can quiz students on their listening comprehension, or you can add different charts, images, or diagrams for students to refer to or review as well. So let me show you how to add this information into your quiz before sharing it with your students. So once you've created your quiz, you'll see that we have this quiz introduction section here. You can drop this down and begin typing or adding in any information that you want your students to refer to. So here we have a little bit of context, and we also want students to listen to an audio and also refer to an image before continuing to take the rest of the quiz. So to do that and add this extra media, you can click on any of the icons up top. So let's click on the audio icon to add in our audio file here. And then instead of clicking on the image here, you can also click the backslash here. You'll see this menu pop up, and you can also click image here to add an image from your device as well. Then when that's all ready, you can save it, and when sharing it with students, they'll be able to review all of that material that you've added in. So let's go ahead and add in a name here, and you'll be able to see that students can refer to this quiz introduction section, read those instructions, listen to the audio, click on that image to review, and then go through and take the quiz. Try this out and let us know what you think.